Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung M35 device. Well, split screen is particularly useful for tasks that involve research and note-taking. For the example, users can browse the web on one half of the screen while taking notes in a document on the other half. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open please the application you want to split. Okay, next you can tap on Resend button. And then you can click the app icon like this. After that, select Open in Split Screen View. Okay, next you can select another application to display on another part of the screen. Well, so on to the second step. Open please settings on your device. After that, please scroll down here and then select advanced features. Okay, and then here you can choose multi-window and turn on the first option. So simply swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen to split the screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.